maybe 12, 10, 11, 12, whatever. Alright, what we've done is this, remember we said before that, you know, you can't have like 10 over 3, that's an improper fraction, we don't want it, and how do you fix that? You make it a mixed number, you divide 3 into 10, and that ends up being 3 1/3. Well, there are some times when we need fractions to be improper, so today we're doing the reverse of that. We are going to start with a mixed number, and we're going to make it improper. Okay. Now, let's take a look at one. First of all, what if I would have, I don't know, 3 3/5, and I wanted to make that improper? Well, one way to do that is you could actually draw it out. You've got 3 whole things, and then you have, I probably should have used something besides 5th, but I'll do it anyways. You've got 3/5 here, so I don't have this over here. Now, here's the first thing you think about is this. Since I changed this was in 5ths, I'm going to cut all 3 of my whole circles into 5ths. So it's going to look like this. That's a 5th, 5th, and a 5th. Changed them all into 5ths. How many 5ths do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 5ths there, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 5ths there, 16, 17, 18. This equals 18 5ths as an improper fraction. Isn't that amazing? You can astound your friends by doing this all day long. Now you don't always want to have to draw circles and cut those into pieces, so there is a helpful little shortcut. Does anybody think they know what it is? Really, nothing? Well, here, let's what did I say we started with 3 3/5? Here is your shortcut. I'll write you down steps. Step number 1 is multiply the whole number.
Mr. Hunt, how critical is it that you golf on a Monday evening?
I don't know. I put it at the same level as you working out every night at your little thing there. Something I can definitely get out of if I have to.
Well, would Friday night be any better?
Fridays are fine.
Okay.
I'll do whatever the team says. Are we trying to find a day when everybody's...
Well, I'm trying to find a day that gives them time to get ready, and we have some manpower around, because on certain days we lose certain people.
Whatever works.
Alright,
I'll figure it out.
well, but we also probably lose Mr. Ulrich.
For what, golf?
Does he golf? Jerry.
Jerry, you would.
Okay.
Jerry definitely would.
Josh, is he?
Who? Josh?
Josh. Okay.
So, multiply the whole number by the denominator. That would mean this. You would take 3 times 5, that is 15, right? Then after that you add the numerator to that, which is the top number. So 15 plus 3 is the new top number, for new top. And then step 3 is you keep your same bottom number. Keep the same denominator. So if I had 5 there, I'll have 5 there. So it's pretty simple. Whole number times the bottom, add the top to it, that's your new top number, keep the same bottom number you're starting with. Just that easy. Once you do it about 15,000 times, it's a piece of cake. So like 7 1/6. 7 1/6. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 1 is, we're not real good with that, 43, same bottom number, 43 6. 43 6. Does it sound times 6, 42? What was your question?
How would you know when to change into an improper?
It'll tell you. The book will tell you to change it to improper. You don't change it to improper unless you're told to or you need to. Otherwise, it always stays as a mixed number. How about this one? What would be 5 2/3? Again, whole number times the bottom, 5 times 3 is 15. Add the top to that, 16, 17, keep the same bottom. 17 over 3. 17 over 3. Is that kind of, how about 21 1/2? 21 1/2, multiply the whole number times the bottom. What is 21 times 2? 42, right? 42 plus 1 is 43, same bottom number, 43 halves. 7 7/9. What would that be as a mixed number, or an improper fraction? As an improper fraction, 7, Chase says,
7/9.
right, because 7 times 9 is 63. Add the 7 to 63 for 70, keep the same bottom, 9. 3 1/8. 3 1/8 as an improper fraction would be, Jacob?
25.
Correct. 3 times 8 is 24, plus the top, 25 eighths. Anybody think that they're gonna have any issues on that? You could draw the pictures, and maybe you can see why it works. Why does that work? Well, if I have 3 whole circles for this one right here, what am I cutting them into? Eighths. So how many eighths is it if you cut 3 into all these into eighths? It is 3 times 8. There's 24 eighths here, plus that one up there. 25 eighths.